Hello guys. Today, we are going to cover 5 best binocular straps in the market, which are the best for you considering some valid reasons that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our top pick is Vortex Optics Glasspak Binocular Harness. The Vortex Optics Glasspak Binocular Harness is the perfect accessory for any outdoor enthusiast. This harness is designed to provide a comfortable, secure fit for your binoculars and keep them close to your body, freeing up your hands for other activities. The adjustable straps ensure the perfect fit for any size binoculars and provide a snug and stable fit. The harness is made from lightweight and durable nylon, which is waterproof and breathable for added comfort. Additionally, the harness features a quick-release buckle for easy access to your binoculars. With the Vortex Optics Glasspak Binocular Harness, you can be sure that your binoculars are safe, secure and ready to use when you need them. Pros: lightweight and comfortable to wear. Durable construction. Fits any size binocular. Easy to adjust straps. Inexpensive price. Cons: straps may be too short for larger binoculars. Cannot be used for anything other than binoculars. Number 2. Our second best pick is OP/Tech USA EZ Comfort Strap. This OP/Tech USA EZ Comfort Strap is an easy and convenient solution for carrying your camera or binoculars. It is designed to provide maximum comfort and support while also reducing neck fatigue. The shoulder pad is made with a neoprene material that is soft and cushioned, making it comfortable to wear for long periods of time. The adjustable strap can be adjusted to fit any size, and the quick-release buckles make it easy to attach and remove. This strap is durable and strong, ensuring that your device remains secure while you're on the go. It's the perfect choice for anyone looking for a comfortable and reliable way to carry their camera or binoculars. Pros: easy to install. Adjustable length. Comfortable to wear. Durable construction. Cons: limited color options. Not suitable for heavy camera equipment. Can be uncomfortable for those with wider shoulders. Number 3. Our third best pick is Allen Company Binocular Straps. The Allen Company Binocular Straps are the perfect solution for birdwatchers who are looking for an easy and comfortable way to carry their binoculars. The harness is 4-way adjustable and features a black finish that is sure to blend into any outdoor setting. It is made from a durable and lightweight access your binoculars without having to take the harness off. The straps are also adjustable to fit most binoculars, making them a great choice for any bird watching enthusiast. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced bird watcher, the Allen Company Binocular Straps are a must-have for your outdoor adventures. Pros: 4-way adjustable straps for a comfortable fit. Lightweight design for easy carrying. Durable material for long-lasting use. Suitable for bird watching. Cons: not suitable for other activities like hunting or sports. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is KeyGuide Lightweight Breathable Comfortable Binocular Strap Harness. Looking for an easy and comfortable way to carry your binoculars around? Look no further than the KeyGuide Binoculars Harness. This lightweight and breathable harness is perfect for keeping your optics safe and secure. It attaches and detaches with ease, so you can quickly and conveniently take your adjustable straps and breathable mesh construction You'll never have to worry about your binoculars slipping off or feeling uncomfortable. Get your hands on the KeyGuide binoculars harness and take your binoculars with you on your next adventure. Pros: lightweight, breathable, comfortable, easy to attach and detach binoculars, cameras, and rangefinders. Cons: may not be suitable for heavier binoculars or cameras. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is North Mountain Gear Binoculars Harness. The North Mountain Gear Binoculars Harness and DSLR Camera Harness Strap is the perfect way to keep your binoculars and DSLR camera safe and secure while out on the trail. This 4-way adjustable harness is made with quick-release buckles that make it easy to take on and off. It also has adjustable camera and binoculars. With this harness, you can rest assured that your equipment is secure and safe from the elements. So, next time you're heading out on an adventure, make sure you're ready with the North Mountain Gear Binoculars Harness and DSLR Camera Harness Strap. Pros: quick-release buckles for easy on-off. 4-way adjustable design for a comfortable fit. Sturdy and durable construction. Lightweight and portable. Great for carrying and protecting DSLR cameras. Cons: not compatible with all DSLR camera models. Not waterproof or weatherproof. Limited adjustability in fit. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback. Have a great day.